Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of hardware wallets and comparing two major players, Tangem Wallet versus Trezor Safe 5. So if you're serious about securing your cryptocurrency, you need to know which one is right for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which wallet suits your needs best, so you can grab a coffee, sit tight, and let's get started. So the Tangem wallet is a unique smart card-based cold wallet that operates using near-field communication, or what we call NFC. Unlike traditional hardware wallets that require USB connections or Bluetooth, Tangem works like a tap-and-go card. So here are the key features for the Tangem wallet. So first is we have the card-based design. So it looks like a credit card and it's very easy to carry. Second one is no battery or cables needed. So it uses NFC on your smartphone, so you don't need any of the cables or wires. That's it. And it also has multi-currency support because it supports BTC, ETH, USDT, and more. It also have it also has military grade security EAL6 plus certified chip, and it ensures high security. Second to the last on the list is the backup options. So you can use multiple Tangem cards as backups. And lastly is its affordable price. It is lower than many hardware wallets. So that's all the key features of Tangem wallet that you have to know. So to make the Tangem works, you just have to tap the card on the back of your phone, use the app, and you're in. There is no recovery phrases and security is tied to the card itself, making it a simple yet effective solution. So Tangem is for the people that wants an easy to use or a tap and go wallet. It also is for people that doesn't want to deal with USBs, Bluetooth, or wires. And if you prefer something affordable and portable, this is best for you. So there are three potential downsides of the Tangem wallet. First is no physical screen for verification. Second is if you lose the card without a backup, you lose access. And third is the limited advanced feature compared to Trezor. Many users praise Tangem for its convenience, especially those who frequently travel and need a portable solution. However, some concerns exist about the risk of losing the card and being locked out permanently. So here are the three security breakdowns of Tangem Wallet. First is the EAL6 Plus certification ensures one of the highest levels of security. Number two is no Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or USB connectivity, means no remote attack vectors. And lastly is, however, no PIN or biometric authentication, means that physical possession is the only security layer. Now let's talk about the Trezor Safe 5. So Trezor is one of the most trusted names in hardware wallets. The Trezor Safe 5 is their newest model, packed with advanced security features and a touchscreen for easy navigation. Now let's talk about the key features of Trezor Wallet. So first, it has large touchscreen display. It can securely enter PINs and confirm transaction. Number two is the passphrase protection. Extra security for accessing funds, which is very good for a Trezor wallet. And the third on the list is it has multi-currency support. It supports 9,000 plus cryptocurrencies, which is a plus points for a wallet, And fourth is USB-C connectivity. It works with desktop and mobile. And the fifth is it has Shamir backup option. So it can securely split recovery seeds. And last is open source software. It is really good with transparency and security. So how does Trezor Save 5 works? So you just have to connect it via USB-C, and then you just have to enter your PIN and then use the Trezor suite to manage your assets. So the Shamir backup feature allows you to split your recovery phrase across multiple locations for added protection. So Trezor Wallet is for the people that wants a maximum security and control. And it is also for the people that prefer a screen-based device and with advanced options. And also, if you need support for a wide range of cryptos, then Trezor Wallet is really best for you. Now, same with the Tangem wallet, Trezor wallet also has potential downsides, and those are number one, it is more expensive than Tangem. Number two is it requires a computer or smartphone to operate. And lastly, it is slightly more complex for beginners. Crypto investors who prioritize security often choose Trezor due to its open source nature and backup options. So some users find the setup slightly complex, but appreciate the additional security layers. So now let's talk about the security breakdowns of Trezor Wallet. So first, it is open source firmware means vulnerabilities can be identified and patched quickly. Second one is passphrase protection adds an extra layer beyond the standard PIN. And lastly, we have Shamir backup allows for splitting your recovery phrase for extra protection, which is really good if you really is good with the cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna show you a Tangem wallet versus Trezor Safe 5 head-to-head comparison. This is for the people that really wants to see the table comparison of the two wallets, which is the Tangem wallet and the Trezor Safe 5. So I'm just gonna leave it here and you guys can pause the video and look at the head-to-head comparison. Now here comes the biggest question. Which one should you choose? Now for the Tangem wallet, you choose Tangem wallet if first, you want a simple mobile-first solution. Number two, you don't need to store a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Number three is you prefer NFC tap and go access. And lastly is you want a budget-friendly option. And now for the second option, which is the Trezor Save 5, you choose this if first, you prioritize advanced security features. Number two, you manage multiple cryptocurrencies. Number three, you want a physical screen for verification. And lastly is you don't mind paying a premium for security. So after a complete comparison of the two wallets, regardless of which wallet you choose, you can follow these best practices. Number one is always use a backup. So whether it's multiple Tangem cards or Shamir backup with Trezor, always have a recovery option. Number two is enable extra security layers. So if you're using Trezor, then enable a passphrase. Number three is store wallets safely. So keep your hardware wallet in a secure location. Make sure that it is somewhere that only you know. So number four is beware of phishing attacks. So you must never enter your seed phrase on a suspicious site. And lastly is keep software updated. You must ensure that your wallet is firmware. It is always up to date. So those are my crypto security tips, and you can follow them if you want to, but it's up to you. So which one do you think is best for you? Tangem wallet with its tap and go simplicity or Trezor Safe 5 with its high-end security and screen-based control? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!